knocking on my door. What's up, y'all? Come on in here. What's up? Welcome to my channel, Just Symphony, but you can call me Symphony. So I just want to do a quick little apartment tour. I just moved into my new 1-bedroom apartment, and I'm really excited. So I'm just do a quick video and just show y'all the empty apartment tour. Okay, so we're gonna get started. All right, this is the entryway. We have like a little alarm system that we can use. It comes with the apartment, you know, extra security. This is the overview of the living room, y'all. Really cute. We have a ceiling fan in here, which is nice. So right here, sorry for the lighting, you know, we got the light coming in right there from the windows. I kind of like this. It has like the double windows. So you have a window here, and it's kind of in the frame of a door, but it's not. It's just a window, so there's no handle right there. The fireplace, the mantle, and then, you know, we can hang a TV or a picture up there if I want to. And then right here, it's another window, but this one is actually the door to the patio, which is nice. I'll go ahead and show y'all the patio. Come on out. The view is nothing special. This is the patio, and I have a little storage room right there as well. So come on back in here. And then, you know, the patio, I'm glad to finally have a patio, which is nice. I'm gonna have to get some wasp spray and some hornet spray, because, baby, I don't trust it. I don't do that. You know, because I definitely plan on being out there, but I don't want to be out there with the bugs. So we got to definitely debug and spray and stuff. Okay, and then this is just kind of like the wall here. So if you come on this way, this is the dining area. So, you know, it's just a dining area, simple dining area. We have the AC on this side, and from that dining area is the kitchen. And so we can start with the countertops, which I really like. So the countertops is like this gold sparkle type of granite on the countertop, which is really cute. And it kind of has this little area right here, which is like a bar area. You can put your bar stools right here. And then here's the overview of the kitchen. It's open on this side. Okay, so the kitchen, you know, is small. So I like the cabinets and the drawers in the kitchen. I like the color. I like that they have the handle, so it's easy to open and close, which is really nice. My last apartment didn't have any like knobs on the counter, on the cabinets, so, you know, that just got on my nerves. I have the sink. I like the sink because it's deep, very cute. We got the faucet with the hose. I think this is the what they call the thing? Garbage disposal, yes. This may be the garbage disposal right here. All stainless steel appliances, which I really like. So brand new stove and oven, brand new microwave, and I really like the refrigerator in the kitchen too. That was like a plus factor about this. This is the refrigerator. Not only is it stainless steel, but the plus was that it has the ice machine. So we have like a whole ice machine. So you got the cubed ice and the water. Love that. And it's kind of like what the inside of the refrigerator looks like. Very cute, simple. I got my lunchbox in there. I brought me a little lunch because it's gonna be a busy day. Freezer at the bottom. The only thing about the freezer is it's kind of small. I don't really like that, but whatever. So through this door, we have the laundry room. So this is the laundry room, nothing special. You just come this way and you have the washer. And the washer and dryer comes with this apartment, okay? So this is a brand new washer. It comes with the apartment. And then on the opposite side is the dryer. And, you know, they both have shelves, so which is really nice. And yeah. Now we can make our way on into the bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom apartment, in case I didn't mention it. So this is the bedroom. It's a pretty decent sized bedroom, honestly. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. Very decent. So the bedroom has one window. This is what it looks like. It has carpet in the bedroom. So this is what the bathroom looks like. Let's see. One thing I really like about the bathroom is that the mirror is huge, okay? Huge. Love that. Countertop, plenty of countertop space in here. Plenty of countertop space, so I really like that. So we have just one sink. I wish it was 2 sinks, like, cause it's enough space in the countertop to have 2 sinks, honestly. Well, it's just one, but it's okay. I see why. Well, I have lots of drawers in here. lots of counter, you know, just under cabinet space and drawer space, which I really like. And then we have the extra space up top. Then it has a towel rack right here as well. So I like that. And the tub is just a regular old tub, you know, ain't nothing special to it. I may change the knob on the shower head, so we're gonna see. And that is the bathroom, you know, simple and cute. That's all I need. It's simple, but it's cute. Okay, so this is the closet. I have a full walk-in closet, so really nice. Plenty of storage space. Let's just start there. So carpet in the closet as well. We have the shelves and shelving space. So I have one long shelf here. I'm gonna put my Chester in here, so it's gonna sit right up against this wall, because I don't think I'm gonna have it in the bedroom because my vanity got to go somewhere. So I'm gonna have my Chester in here. Really simple. It's nice, plenty of space. I like that. And so yes, and that is pretty much it, you guys. Got the ceiling fan, and this is the bedroom. All right, and this is just the overall overview of the apartment from the bedroom door. Y'all, that is it for my empty apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry about the echo in here, you know, I ain't got nothing up in here yet, so I'm about to go get the U-Haul and start moving furniture and all that type of stuff. But you know, definitely come back. This is more to come, okay? This is gonna be a whole series. We got the empty apartment tour. Now we're just gonna go through the whole moving in and me decorating, and I have a lot of DIY things I plan on doing, so it's gonna be fun. So definitely stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below. Like this video. Hit the subscribe button. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell. But yeah, that is it. I got a busy day ahead of me. I got to start cleaning, packing, and just everything else. So, but you know, I'm excited, y'all. It's going to be good. It's a nice little cozy, comfy one bed. Nice little temporary spot. So, yeah. All right, I'll check back in with y'all later. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.